Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Today we will do tenses. Tense means time. Tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. There are three main tenses: present, past and future, and they are further divided into sub branches. First we'll do present, simple present tense. It is also called present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, generally it shows the actions which are universal truth, which are our habitual actions. It is formed with subject plus verb, and first form of verb is used. For plural, we use s or es. And for singulars, we use the first form. To form a negative, does not or do not is used as for singular and plural. If we want to make an interrogative sentence, then we use do or does at the beginning of the sentence. And if a sentence is beginning with interrogative words, why, what, where, which, then they are written at the beginning of the sentence, and do and does are written after these words. But no helping verb is used after who. For example, she reads a book. It means it is her habit. She reads a book. She is singular, so S is used here. If we want to change into negative, it will be she does not read book in library. Does not, when we add s or es, then s from the verb is removed. She reads a book in the library. She does not read book in the library. And if we want to change it in the interrogative sentence, does she read book in the library? Second is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense expresses something that is happening at the moment, which is going on. The present is continuous tense is used to denote an action that is going on at the beginning, at the time of speaking. We form this tense with the using first form of verb with ing, and helping verb is, are or am is used. Is used with he, she and it, and singular objects. And if we want to change a negative sentence, we use not with am, is or I am. And to change an interrogative, we start the sentence with helping verb, that is, are, am or am. For example, I am studying in a high school. This is a assertive sentence, simple sentence. When we change it into negative, then we add not after helping verb. I am not studying in a high school. And to change into interrogative, we will bring the helping verb at the start of the sentence. Then it will be, am I studying in a high school? Next is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate an action which has been completed recently. Third form of the verb with the help of has or have is used in this tense. Has is used with the singular form, and have is used with plurals. If we want to change negative, then we use have, not after have or has. And to change into interrogative, we write has or have in the beginning of the sentence. For example, he has made this colorful chart. To change negative, we add not between has and the verb. He has not made this colorful chart. And to change into interrogative, we will bring has in the beginning of the sentence. Has he made this colorful chart? Next is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is donated to a tense that started in the past but has not finished yet. It is still going on. First form of the verb is used with the help of ing, and we use since and for to indicate, to identify this tense. Since is used for a point of time. If time is given, for example, in the evening, early in the morning, and for the period of time we use for. If we want to donate negative sentence, again we use has or not between has and have and the helping verb. And to change into the interrogative sentence, we start with has or have. She has been working there since 2017. She has not been working there since 2017. Has she been working there since 2017?